In some other updates now, it has been 8 days since 3 workers have been trapped in a tunnel in Bilaspur. The tunnel was part of a 4-lane project from Kiratpur, Swarghat and Manali. Rescue operations continue even after over 165 hours to save the 3 labourers in Bilaspur district trapped in a tunnel.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी बिलासपुर के पास है जो सुरंग में जो लोग फंसे हैं उनकी एक जीवन और मृत्यु की जो स्थिति बनी हुई है उस पर गहरी चिंता व्यक्त करती है और सरकार की नाकामयाबी और सरकार का जो आपदा प्रबंधन है पूरी तरह से फेल साबित हुआ है, ये हमारा आरोप है। अभी तक 8 दिन बीत गए हैं लेकिन अभी वो लोग मजदूर जो सुरंग में फंसे हैं वो अपने जीवन के प्रति जीवन और मृत्यु से जूझ रहे हैं। सरकार ने समय समय पर कहा कि हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सरकार को ये तुरंत आर्मी के हवाले करना चाहिए था और आर्मी का रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन वहां पर होता तो अभी तक उन मजदूरों को सुरंग से बाहर निकाला जा सकता था।
Right, the opposition slamming the government really for not taking adequate action to rescue these 3 labourers who are stuck in that tunnel that caved in about 8 days back. Even after 165 hours of rescue operations, these 3 labourers have not been taken out. And remember, this incident happened 8 days back when these workers were trapped in a tunnel that caved in Bilaspur while the work was continuing on a 4-lane project from Kiratpur, Swarghat and Manali. The district administration is trying to depute as much and as best agencies to rescue the labourers as possible. Vishal Monga is with us for more on that. Vishal, what is the status at the moment for what are the possibilities of really rescuing these labourers out of that caved-in tunnel? It's been 8 days that they are stuck.
As of now, it's raining very heavily in the region, and that is why the problem is because of the heavy rains, they have not been able to drill the last few meters where they could really go to the workers. 2 workers have been identified, and the administration is trying its best basically to reach to the workers as soon as possible. Last night also they were just few meters away, but because of the heavy rain and also the light was not so proper, so that is why they had to abandon the work. But today morning they started early, but because of the heavy rain they've not been able to go through to the last 2-3 meters. After that, they lay a pipe into it where the people would really get down into the tunnel and try to pull out the 2 workers who have been stuck there for the last 1 week. But the administration is saying that they are trying their best to finish this operation as soon as possible.